RunComfy and RunPod both let you run ComfyUI in the cloud without a local GPU, but they are built on completely different philosophies. One is plug and play, the other gives you raw GPU access and the keys to configure everything yourself. In this review, we break down pricing, setup, performance, and which one actually fits your workflow. RunComfy is a dedicated ComfyUI cloud platform. You open a browser, hit launch, and ComfyUI is running in under 30 seconds. No Docker, no SSH, no model downloads. RunPod is a general-purpose GPU cloud. It supports ComfyUI via a one-click template, but the experience is much more technical. Same underlying GPU hardware, completely different product. RunPod launched in 2022 and has grown into one of the most popular GPU cloud platforms for AI developers. It offers on-demand pods, spot pricing, serverless endpoints, and a marketplace of community templates. The ComfyUI template is one of the most deployed templates on the platform. With RunComfy, you create an account, click Launch Machine, and within 30 seconds, you're inside a full ComfyUI interface in your browser. Over 1,000 custom nodes are pre-installed. Popular models, SDXL, Flux, WAN 2.1 are already available. You do not touch a terminal. There is nothing to configure. It just works. RunPod's ComfyUI setup involves selecting a GPU, choosing the ComfyUI template, deploying a pod, waiting for the container to pull, then connecting via an exposed HTTP port or SSH. Experienced users can do this in 5 minutes. Beginners will spend 20 to 30 minutes reading documentation before their first workflow runs. This is where the gap is largest. RunComfy charges around $0.40 to 60 cents per hour for an RTX 3090. RunPod Community Cloud starts at 14 cents per hour for the same GPU. That is 3 to 4 times cheaper. The trade-off is reliability. Spot instances on RunPod can be interrupted. Secure Cloud Pods start at 39 cents, which is much closer to RunComfy's rate. RunComfy offers a free plan with 10 credits on signup. After that, credits are purchased in bundles. A Pro plan at $29 per month gives priority machine access and more storage. Credits are consumed from the moment the machine starts, including the startup and model loading period, which is the main complaint from users who feel they are paying for wait time. RunPod has a significantly wider GPU catalog: RTX 3090, RTX 4090, A100, H100, and more. Available in both community and secure cloud zones. RunComfy offers a curated selection optimized for ComfyUI workloads. You do not choose a GPU on RunComfy. You choose a machine tier, and the platform picks the hardware for you. For pure ComfyUI use, RunComfy is in a different league. Pre-installed nodes mean you can load any community workflow immediately without chasing missing node errors. Model downloads are handled through a built-in model manager. On RunPod, you manage your own environment, which means full control, but also full responsibility for debugging. RunComfy advertises a 30-second launch time. In practice, users report 1 to 3 minutes for the full environment to initialize, including model loading. RunPod pod startup is faster at the infrastructure level, around 30 to 60 seconds, but you then need to wait for ComfyUI and custom nodes to load, which adds several more minutes. On Trustpilot, RunPod's most common praise is for GPU availability, speed, and clean interface. One reviewer put it directly: great UI, instant GPUs. For a medium tier, this cloud hosting is the best place. RunComfy users who stick with it love the zero setup experience, the ability to run a complex workflow without ever touching the command line. A second RunPod user summed it up: very convenient, simple, rich. Only issue is GPU availability when there is huge demand. That GPU availability crunch is real. Popular GPU tiers on RunPod sell out during peak hours, forcing users to either wait or pay more for the secure cloud tier. RunComfy's most cited complaint is slow startup combined with credit consumption during that wait. One user flagged, full of loading times both for starting the machines and for saving projects. If time runs out before the save completes, the machine shuts down and you have to start all over. That is a serious UX failure for a pay-per-minute service. The harshest RunComfy reviews are blunt. One user wrote, "Super slow, but costs you a lot for just loading stuff." RunPod does not escape criticism either. Templates occasionally fail to start, requiring manual container debugging. Neither platform is perfect, but RunComfy's pricing model amplifies the pain of slow performance. RunComfy is the right choice if you want ComfyUI without technical setup. if you are a designer or artist rather than a developer, or if you want a predictable managed environment. RunPod is the right choice if you need cheaper GPUs, if you run workloads beyond ComfyUI, or if you are comfortable with Docker and SSH. One feature RunComfy does not offer at all: serverless GPU endpoints. RunPod lets you deploy ComfyUI as a serverless API that scales to 0 when not in use and charges only per inference request. For developers building image generation APIs or automation pipelines on top of ComfyUI, this is a major advantage RunComfy simply cannot match. RunComfy Pros: 0 setup, pre-installed nodes and models, managed environment, beginner-friendly. Cons: 3 times more expensive than RunPod Spot, credits consumed during startup, limited to ComfyUI only. RunPod Pros: significantly cheaper GPU rates, full workload flexibility, serverless option, wider GPU catalog. Cons: technical setup required, templates can fail, no managed ComfyUI experience. If you run ComfyUI for 20 hours a month, a typical creative workload, RunComfy costs roughly $10 to $12. RunPod Community Cloud for the same time, $2.80. RunPod Secure Cloud, around $8. Over 12 months, that is an $86 to $110 saving on RunPod Community, even accounting for the occasional interrupted session. The price gap is real and it compounds. RunComfy scores 8 out of 10 for ease of use and 0 setup experience. RunPod scores 8 out of 10 for value, flexibility, and developer power. If you are a beginner or creative professional who just wants ComfyUI to work, RunComfy. If you are a developer, a power user, or cost-conscious, RunPod. There is no wrong answer. They are built for different people. Both platforms offer free credits to try before you pay. RunComfy gives you 10 free credits on sign-up, enough to test your first workflow. RunPod gives $10 in free credits, enough for several hours on a 3090. Links are in the description. Drop a comment telling us which one you are going with. We read every one.